Today I'm going to show you how to create these neon art supplies using only these pigments that I got from Amazon. You'll need a mixing bowl. Here I'm using the Jane Davenport cauldron from the fairy dust set. You'll need gum arabic to use as the binder. Here I'm using the powdered kind, along with the spatula and measuring spoon that I got from that same set. You'll need the appropriate tools to store your colors in. In this video, I'll be making markers and a watercolor set. And of course, you'll need pigments. I got this set from Amazon for about $17.50. I ordered 1 gram, but I ended up with 2 grams, so thanks for your generosity. So all I did was add a little more than 1 gram of the pigment and then 1 gram of the gum arabic. And then I just added drops of water until I got like a creamy consistency. Just be aware that some pigments were more trickier and messier to work with others, but it's all trial and error. Scoop it out with the spatula and pour it into your paint palette. So for the rest of this pigment, because I just don't like to waste, I just watered it down and then used this pipette to suck it out and pour it into this aqua brush marker or mermaid marker, whatever you like to call it. So I'm just going to show you a few more of these. All in all, it was a fun but messy process, but well worth the effort if you're wanting some neon art supplies. I had this idea when Jane Davenport briefly had a neon pigment set in stock, but unfortunately sold out before I can get my hands on one. But yeah, this is a fair alternative that still resulted in what I wanted, at least with the mermaid markers. I've yet to test the watercolor set since that will take a few days to dry, as it did with the fairy dust pigments. But yeah, this pigment works for any kind of art supply as well as nail polish and makeup. I highly recommend it.